Good day, riders. This is going to be a little expo on an iPhone that, it catapulted out of my front pocket, my shirt pocket, and onto the road. And I didn't realize it until a few minutes later. Scurried back, ended up finding it, but unfortunately, it was too late. You will see the results coming up here. This is the front side. The camera or the home button is shot. Of course, the screen is shot as well. It was sort of operating. Here's the back side. You can see the camera smashed and the cover sort of flattened. And anyways, I guess I should have taken this minor T-bone here as an omen to what was going to come. But I just decided I had seen enough of the accident scene here and was going to continue on my plan to head to the state fairgrounds in St. Paul. And I'm going to follow this motar here. And, coming up, there is going to be, it's not a pothole, it's more like a sinkhole. It's more like a access cover that was abandoned and now is sinking. I did not see it and hit it right here. Almost lost control. I was adjusting my eyewear with my left hand at the time and was just so grateful I didn't dump the bike. It bottomed out on the front suspension. It was a hard hit. I went back later and looked at it, and you can see where vehicles have bottomed out on the far side of it, and I'm sure it's 6 to 8 inches deep. And I think my front tire just hit that upper incline, and that's what almost took me out. And at this point, I'm kind of shook up. I'm thinking, I'm just too old for this Sportster, and my back is hurting, and I'm thinking, well, the day's over. But then I spot the motar up there, and I'm thinking, let's just stay in the saddle. Let's just continue on. It's got to get better. And it has not occurred to me that I've lost my phone. And it was in my shirt pocket, loosely put. And I did hear a little voice in me saying, maybe you should pack that. Now I've realized it's missing, and I'm somewhat frantic. I've got a pretty good idea where it's at, sort of. But I feel like, it's more than just an object that I'm missing. It's an important part of, our interaction nowadays. And so I'm trying to get back there before somebody runs it over or picks it up or whatever. It's been abandoned by me. I've neglected it, so it's all on me to get there in time. I don't know if it's going to happen. I'm scouring the left oncoming road surface there. I realize that I've went too far, and now I'm really gonna use the old peeper eagle eye and try to see. Now, I have no clue where that dip in the road was at, and I'm just doing my best to look at the road and guess which one of these manhole covers I lost it at. And there I spot the phone, and I'm trying to get in the left lane and block this SUV. It is just about to run it over, and there it is. The front tire just hit it. You'll see at the rear of this vehicle, there it is. Those two pieces are my iPhone. And by gosh, either I caused that SUV to run it over, or they drove all the way to Minnesota from Wisconsin to run over my iPhone. I don't know, but it had probably been ran over a few other times before that white SUV ran it over. And that is the story of the demise of my iPhone. And it actually took a licking and kept on ticking. I just could not get the passcode entered, and there was so much damage to it. It wasn't worth looking into having it repaired. So I don't know. If you're riding motorcycle, tuck your phone away. That's the lesson. Till we ride again, right on.